I will play the monkey game where never have I ever is the game. Never have I ever flown a jet before. If you flown a jet before, then you gotta drink the moose milk. Yeah, never have I ever not been rich. Jeff, you were rich since when? What are you talking about, man? I stole Brick Boss's bank account. Never have I ever eaten a block before. Jeff, you ate a block? Wait, what? Never have I ever had my girlfriend try to kill me. Yeah, Moosina's pretty crazy, and Jeffina's pretty crazy too. Never have I ever eaten a moose. Nope. Welcome to the Daycare! Yo, what's up, man? Dude, my boy Jeff called me up. Oh, I was like, as I was saying, my boy Jeff called me up, man. He told me it's a crazy, and I mean like Moosina crazy pool party over at the Daycare. And that's what we're heading on over to right now, man. Yo, let's check this out. Whoa! Look at that. Bro, this is gonna be the craziest pool party ever, man. So, apparently, Jeff has turned in, like, he invested his money. Well, I'm not sure if it's an investment or not, but you get the point. So, he turned the Daycare into a massive water slide. Another one. And inside of it should be like an indoor water slide. So, let's check this out, man. Here we go. Hey, yeah! Moose is gonna love this. Hi, Skylar! Yeah! Oh, that's so cool. Hi! Wait, where's Moosina at? I still haven't seen her for a long time. I'm kind of scared. Where did she go? What are you talking about? Did you do something? Yeah! Whoa, Jeff, you're a dolphin! Are you a dabbing dolphin? Jeff. Okay, all right, we're good. All right, so, yo, what's going on, man, Jeff? I like your new costume, man. Wait, that's not a costume, is it now? Jeff, did you? No! Jeff? It's real. Why are you so proud of that? You're a dolphin now, man. You're like a little mermaid man or something. It's so weird. Okay, mermaid moose. Awesome, man. So I'm super excited, guys. Everyone watching this video, subscribe, slap the bell, and come back tomorrow on the MooseRoleplays YouTube channel to watch another day of Daycare, man. Make sure you actually go to the channel and stuff and check out some other Daycare videos, too. I brought a park imported to the Daycare. Skylar, you're awesome. Yeah, we got a cool pool party stuff. Yeah, awesome, dude. So, yo, who can swim here? My money. I did this. Okay. Thank you. Praise Skylar with Boost Book. Okay. All right. I don't know why she does that. I did this. Are you sure I did this? Like, are you sure, Jeff? I feel like you really didn't do this. I just have that feeling that you took someone's credit. I want 100%. How much was it? Huh? Yeah. How much was it, Jeff? Did it cost 2 Boost Books? Or is it 2 Hoosier Daddies? 2 million? What? Ain't nobody got money for that. What? That's just like a price of the house, dude. It's crazy, man. Crazy. Dang, you right. Okay, whatever. Awesome, so I'm just gonna go enjoy the pool now. Fun times up there. Oh, wait, do we keep going up? Yo, it goes all the way up here? That's so cool. Wait. Where's this going to? Oh, snap. Yo, this is a pool over here. The even cooler extreme water thingy. Hi, yeah! Yo, it's so dope! Yo, we going left, we going right, and yo, this thing goes crazy, man. It's going crazy. Are you ready for the drop? Woo! Awesome! Splash! Whoa! Did you see that? Wait! Hold on, Skylar. Where's Jeff at? Jeff! Where are you, buddy? Jeff the Moose? Where'd he go? Jeff, are you over here? Jeff? My name is Brick Boos. Wait, where's, oh, snap! What did you do? Oh, snap! Wait, why you look so derpy, man? I thought you were still on the yacht. Brick Boos. Jeff, is that you? Jeff, get out of Brick Boss's costume, man. Yo, Jeff, where did you get that transformation ability? Oh, that's how you can become a mermaid. Get out of that. Oh, come on. Your eyes are a little bit weird. You forget I'm a scientist? No. That's my bro. Oh, she went there, dude. That was savage, man. That was savage. Dude, you gotta be careful, man. You could break the pool or something. That was pretty crazy, man. It's every day, bro. Okay, anyways, dudes, let me go over here and let me do a quick little dive, man. You ready for this? Another one. Yay! All right, Skylar, it's your turn. Go ahead. Do one of those dives, dude. Do like a really crazy, do a cannonball. Oh, and now he is a mermaid brick boss. Okay, that makes sense. Come on. You got the Skylar. Wait, where'd she go? Get the ball. Do it. Ha. Wow, that was not loud at all. Woo! I kept that again. No, Big Boss! Not again! Big Boss, don't do it. No! Why you gotta do this, man? What? Bro! Chill, man. Chill. Okay, how about this? How about this? Let's go to yeah. Let's go over here, dudes. And let's go to this pool over here. So, I'm over here. And woo! Yeah! Awesome! There's also like different ways to actually go into the pool. Awesome. Hi, Skylar. Come on, jump. You got this. Just don't hit anything. Just please land in the water. Ultimate dive. Go. Hey. That was really anticlimactic. All right. Awesome. Here we go. Let's go all the way up here and see what we got, man. Oh, stop. You ready for us, dude? Hi. Yeah. Awesome. Dude, I think it's time we go to the tippy top. Super thick. Dude, let's go to the super top, okay, man? And we're going to see what we can do. All the way to the top we go, man. Let's do this, dude. I want to... What's that sound? What's that? What's with your tan line? Dude, there's nothing wrong with my tan line. I look good. What's wrong with me, huh? What? I look good, man. Texas tan line. No, that's not true. I do not have a Texas tan line, okay, bro? You can't judge me like that. All right, we got to get up there. Okay, this is too high up. No, we got to go higher up. Jeff, can you please get us stairs? Oh. She's ready for everything. Awesome. Yay! Yo, by the way, Jeff, did you know that I used to be a professional swimmer? Not really professional, but I was in the championships. Same! Awesome, Jeff. Who'd you swim for? Yeah. USA! Wow. Awesome, man. Olympics. Lies. All right. Whoa, hold up. Wait, what's this over here? Whoa, hold up. That's too much. Like, seriously, this is high up. Like, you could actually die. Why are you still climbing? I'm Michael Phelps. Jeff, you're everything. You're too strong. Welcome to death. Oh, that's lovely. Ah, Jeff, chill. Yeah. Dude, are you ready for this? Huh? Yeah. Oh, my God. Bah! Oh, this is the craziest water slide ever. Awesome. Dude, that was lit. All right, Skylar, you guys, it's not that high up. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Yeah. Is she jumping? I think she's gonna jump. You got it. Just stay safe. I got you. Come on, jump. I come down again. All right, Jeff, you got it, buddy. I'm gonna do a trick. What do you got? What are you gonna do? Oh, he's flooding the whole thing. He's flooding. Oh! What happened? Skylar, are you okay? My legs. Oh, snap. This is not good. Oh, pool party gone wrong. Oh, man. We're coming to help you. Don't worry. What was that? Holy moose smokes. What happened? Dude. What in the... we good? I don't know. I'm dying. What do you mean you're dying? What? Holy. Where are you? Skylar? Sorry, Skylord. Yo, Skylar from Guardians of the Galaxy? Oh, it's Star-Lord. My bad. Where'd she go? I can't find her. What do we do about that? Star Wars? Skylar, where are you? Oh, I think she's over here. Hello? Dude, all I had was like a crazy, like a explosion or something. Skylar, where'd you go? I don't see her, man. Where'd she go? Did she disappear? I see you, Skylar. I'm in the pool. Oh, your leg's fine. What happened to the explosion over there? What happened there? It was like a massive hole over there, dude. Did you do something about that? Was it you? I landed. Oh, ow! Not cool, bro. Not cool. Have you ever heard? Oh, hold on. Someone's calling. Hello? Yeah. Yeah. What's up? Oh, subscribe and tap the bell. YouTube's broken. Oh, and come back tomorrow for a brand new video. Oh, wait. Like, go to the physical channel tomorrow. So like, go on MooseRoleplays tomorrow. Like, look it up and do it. Okay, bye. Yeah, you heard them. That's YouTuber calling. They gotta fix this stuff. Alright, so well, anyways, let's see what's going on. I'm gonna do it again. That's so dangerous. That is extremely dangerous. But hey, Jeff, you're like a dolphin mermaid thing. But you look beautiful and stunning. Ow! I compliment you. You pay me like that. Oh, what's that? I heard something go off. Ah! Skylar, what did you do this time? I feel like she's doing this for attention. I don't know why. I feel like... Jeff. Ow! Bro! Huh? I landed in the pool again. Which one? Oh, I see you. Bro! Yay! Nice. Dude, that was awesome, man. I gotta say. You can't land like me. Oh, yeah? Watch this. Jeff, Coach. Mr. Jeff, Coach, come here. Coach, come here. Jeff, it's time. Let me show you what Jeff and I practiced. We were on the Olympics together. He was Michael Phelps, and I was Dwayne James. Is that good? Is that good? No? Oh, God. Trust me. I'm a professional. Jeff, give me the superpowers. I must show them what a real dive looks like. You trained me, Pops. Coach, whatever I could call you. What's this? Thank you. Nice. Okay, I will show you what a real dive looks like. Yeah! Okay, now let me show you this real quick. This is what a real dive looks like, all right? That's a real dive. Hold on, just gotta clear the area. I call this... Hold on, I'm going up a little bit. I call this Moose number 1, Jeff number Coach. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Moose number 3, yeah, about the way. That was not lame. I flew from the sky. Dude, I went from the moon to the ocean and I survived. Watch this. Where's she going? What are you doing? What is that? You're holding moose milk. How's it? Huh? With the power of the moose milk. Oh, okay. What's going on? I awaken the gods. Jeff, is she crazy? I think she's losing it, bro. Do you ever see me doing that? If I do that ever, like, trust me. Give me powers of flight. I think she's 100% losing it. Up. You do weird things. Up. And she's flying away. Ah! Okay. All right. That was very interesting. Okay, where did she go? Hello? Here we go. You got this. Come on. Let's go. Whoa! What in the world? 10 out of 10. Michael Phelps would be proud. Awesome. Well, anyways, I'm kind of tired of swimming around, man. All right, Jeff, what do you got? Here comes the 4 spin. Oh, wow. Okay, buddy, you got this, man. There we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Where are you, Jeff? Where'd you go? Oh, snap! Did you see that explosion? That was crazy. Awesome. Well, anyways, dudes, I'm gonna go head back home, dude. I gotta go wash off and stuff, and I'm gonna go do some other cool things. Alright, I'll see you all tomorrow with a brand new video. Subscribe, come back tomorrow, leave a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!